This is the tofu fried skin. Mmm. Maybe I should wait like 5 minutes before I eat. Oh my god.
Look how cute he is.
Hey YouTube, today is the day. I finally found the curry flavored spicy bulldog noodles. I thought we could dress it up and eat them together. Wow. Typical comes with your basic chili sauce and then some dried vegetables. And I know the curry noodles are like stir-fried noodles, but I like a lot of soup in my noodles, so I'm gonna add a little bit extra water. It's good, yeah. Pinch of chicken bouillon, chopped fresh garlic, tiny pinch of fish sauce. It's ready. I'm gonna give everything like a really good mix. I used sour cream today because I really wanted a creamy factor in here because, you know, curry and creaminess, you know, coconut milky. I made these since last night, okay? A monster would I be even add my ramen egg in there. All right, y'all, first bite. Whoa, that is a flavor bomb. That is so good. You could taste the curry, the sour cream makes it creamy. Highly suggest adding that. Wow. Look at my perfectly cooked egg. Easy, 10 out of 10. This is the tofu fried skin. Mmm. So good, you guys. Mm. I'm gonna sit down because it's that good. Ramen egg. Oh my god. I like my ramen egg super yolky, so I do mine at around like 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Perfect amount for me. Oh my god, that was really hot. Like heat, steaming hot wise. My tofu skins. Enoki mushrooms. Maybe I should wait. Rice cake. Delicious as always. Huge fan of these tofu skins. Did y'all see this? I feel like it soaks up the flavor a lot. Y'all know I love adding my meatballs. This is a beef meatball with tendons. Fun fact, this is actually the first meal of my day. It's 10 a.m. right now. Enoki mushroom is the best. I thought I was not gonna like these because when you hear curry, you think of like overwhelming curry powder artificialness, but it's not even like that at all. It's almost giving me like, have you ever had like curry udon? It's kind of similar to that. I think I found a new love, like more than the carbonara noodles. Like this is so flavorful. I forgot I got these little long rice cakes too. I like having different types of rice cakes, shapes. I don't want to burn myself. I really love these meatballs. If you have made it this far and you truly are enjoying these videos, please comment down below more mukbangs and I will make more content like this. Last bite.